Welcome back to Science Online class. I am your science teacher Mr. C.P. Barrett, and here we have to talk about the chapter first, that is the food and human health, and it is for the class 10th RBSC board. Okay, right now see what is the thing. Actually in my last lecture we have talked about the so many other things, okay, like water, properties of the water, obesity, so many things we have talked about. Right now see, this is the time to see what is the blood pressure. Okay, so see here, actually we are knowing it, but actually we are not knowing it in a proper way. So today we will come to know there are so many things, means blood pressure. Actually what is the blood pressure, how it is measured, what is the name of the instrument by which it is going to be measured. And actually sometimes we have seen that whenever we know that actually its range should be in between 80 to 120, and we know that 120 it is a high range of the blood pressure, and 80 it is a lower range of the blood pressure. Okay, but we actually don't know what are the names, how it is measured. So many other things will be clear right now in today's class. Right now see what is the thing. Blood pressure is the pressure. Blood pressure is the pressure. But for what pressure? It is the pressure of the circulating blood. It is the pressure of the circulating blood. Okay, and which is exerted, means which is applied on the walls of the arteries. Actually there are the two main blood vessels which transport the blood from the heart to the different parts of the body. What are these? First we have to come to know. First is the arteries. Actually the arteries are responsible for carrying the oxygen rich blood. In the another sense we can say it oxygenated blood. Always the arteries supply the oxygenated blood from the heart to the different parts of the body, that we are knowing it. And another thing is there, that is the veins. And veins transport the impure blood, or you can say carbon dioxide rich blood, or you can say deoxygenated blood from the different parts of the body towards the heart. So these are the things, and these are known as the blood vessels. So what is the thing? The pressure which is exerted on the pressure, blood pressure is the pressure which is the pressure of the circulating blood. Blood pressure is the pressure of the blood, and actually it is exerted on the walls of the arteries. Okay, that is the thing. Right now see arteries. Actually arteries are the blood vessels which carry the oxygen rich blood to the different parts of the body. Already we are knowing it. Right now see what happens. Actually when the arteries transport the oxygenated blood throughout the parts of the body, and that's why its structure is little different. Means you can say these are the pipes which are thick. These are the pipes which are thick. It is present in the inner part of our skin. That these are the things that we are knowing about the arteries. Right now see blood pressure. Actually blood pressure is always measured in the two terms. You have seen that these kinds of the figures whenever you are looking any kind of the report, medical report. So always it is written like that 120/80, 120/80. Actually these are the standard measurements of the pressure. That 120 it is a high value of the pressure, and that particular high value of the pressure it is known as the systolic pressure. So again how can you define it? There are the two kinds of the pressure. Okay, whatever the pressure that is exerted on the walls of the arteries, actually it is subdivided into the two parts. One is the systolic pressure, another will be the diastolic pressure. Names you have to remember. So that systolic pressure, it is the high value of the pressure. It is a high value of the pressure which is exerted on the walls of the arteries. Second, diastolic pressure, it is the lower value of the pressure which is again exerted on the walls of the arteries. Okay, right now see the range of the systolic pressure, it may vary in between 90 to 120. The range of the high value of pressure, which is also named by the systolic pressure, it may vary from 90 to 120. And what is the unit of the pressure? The unit of the pressure is the Pascal. Unit of the pressure is the Pascal. Pascal means what? Newton per meter square. Pascal is what? Newton per meter square. And in the lower classes already you have known that what is the pressure actually? Pressure is the force. Pressure is the force applied on a particular area. On a particular area, what kind of the force is going to be applied? It is defined as a pressure. So what is the formula? Pressure is equal to P is equal to F upon A, and that's why its unit comes Newton per meter square, and it is known as a Pascal. So right now, what is the clear? There are two kinds of the pressure. One is the systolic pressure. It indicates the higher value of the pressure. Range may vary from 90 to 120 Newton per meter square, or we may say Pascal. Another thing is the diastolic pressure. Lower value of the pressure. Range may vary from 60 to 180. Sorry, from 60 to 80. Okay, and again Newton per meter square, or you may say Pascal. Right now, see the name of the instrument by which the pressure is measured of the human body. That name is important here, and it is known as the sphygmomanometer. Sphygmomanometer. So what is the name of the instrument? Sphygmomanometer. It is the instrument by which the pressure, blood pressure actually, the pressure of the blood or blood pressure, it is measured for the human body. Right now, see the next thing. What is the meaning of low blood pressure? What is the meaning of low blood pressure? Sometimes we say that means low BP, high BP. What is the meaning by this? So low blood pressure means it will indicate the low value of the pressure, and what are the desired value of the what are the desired values of the low value of pressure? It is going to be again reduced, that we can understand. But actually, what it indicates? It indicates the low flow of blood. Low blood pressure meaning is that at that particular moment only the low value of the blood, it is transported here and there. Means at that particular moment you can say the volume of the blood, their pressure is low. Low blood pressure means if the pressure will be low, so definitely the quantity of the blood which is flowing inside the arteries, it will be less. And that's why what happen, if the quantity of the blood it is going to be decreased, so definitely because the arteries supply the oxygenated blood. What are the oxygens that has been taken from the lungs? Actually, it is responsible for the transportation of oxygen throughout the body parts. So what will happen if the arteries, if the low value of pressure is there, means the amount of the blood it is going to be decreased, and in such a way we can say that the oxygen, it will not reach, oxygen and other nutrients which are going to be transported with the help of the blood, they will not reach to the organs, different kinds of the organs. And in such a way we can say that our so many important organs are there, like kidney, like brain. Definitely brain is connected to the brain is the nervous system, it is connected to the different body parts. So when the blood will not flow in a proper amount, in a proper way to the brain, to the kidney, to the liver, or to the other body organs, so definitely they will not function well, and in this way we may suffer from the different kinds of the disease. That is all about the low blood pressure. And what is the high blood pressure? Actually, high blood pressure, it will not relate to the flow of the blood. Actually, high blood pressure, actually we create the high blood pressure. How we create? See the reasons. What are the reasons of the high blood pressure? We can see here. First is the anger, गुस्सा करना. Second is the anxiety, चिंता करना, worry करना. Third is the tension लेना. Okay. Fourth is the confusion. Suppose we are in the confusion, we are not able to take our decisions. So this might be the some kind of the situations wherever our blood pressure it is high. Means at that particular moment, whatever the pressure of the blood is there, it is going to be high. It will exceed the value of 120 Pascal. And at that particular moment, you can say high amount of the blood, it will reach to the different organs. And again, it is also bad situation for us. Another reason may be eating food products, eating such kind of the food products which is banned from the fine flour. Fine flour means maida. Means suppose we are eating any kind of the food products which is going to be prepared from maida, so it may be also some kind of the reason of it, and that's why we should eat only the wheat flour. We should not consume the fine flour, means maida, in a large amount. Next thing is that oil. Suppose we are eating so many oily foods, or we are chili powder, we are what we can say, suppose we are eating more spicy food, you can say, or ghee, consumption of the ghee in a large amount, consumption of the butter in a large amount, consumption of the sweets in a large amount, and consumption of alcohol, cigarette, you can say gutka. So this might be also the reason of the high blood pressure. So what are the preventive measures here? Preventive measures is again same. We should avoid the alcohol, we should avoid the cigarette, such kind of the products we should not such kind of the activities, avoid smoking, you can say. Right now see, consume the potassium, consume the potassium rich foods, consume the magnesium rich foods, consume the calcium rich foods. Like fresh fruits, we should consume the fresh fruits, all kinds of the seasonal fruits we can consume. Second is the vegetables, all green leafy vegetables we should eat in a proper amount. We should consume milk, we should and apart from this, we should take the balanced diet, and we should also do some kind of the yoga exercises. Pranayam is there, meditation is there, physical exercise, it is also very much necessary. And if we are doing this kind of the things, so definitely the blood pressure will be maintained. We will not be the patient of the high BP, we will not be the patient of the low BP. So actually high blood pressure, it is in our control, that we can control, and these are the conditions. Right now see the toxic substance. What is the meaning of toxic? Toxic means poisonous substance, which can affect our body in a adversely. So such kind of the toxic substance are available here and there, and what are their bad effects and how they damage our body, that we have to come to know. First is the gutkha. Okay, gutkha, we are knowing it, simple gutkha, which is available in the different names, and that some people chew it. So actually it is prepared. How it is going to be prepared? It is prepared from the pieces of the betel. Betel means pan, and after that katha. Okay, reddish color, red color katha, we know it. And after that lime, matlab chuna. Okay, some kind of the synthetic fragrance. Synthetic fragrance means human made, fragrance means khushbu. Some fragrance are also going to be added there, so that the people will chew it. And after that some metal foils, some kind of the metal foils, either it may be aluminium foils, either it may be some different other foils, they are also present there, and that's why it is going to be dangerous. The muscles, and what are the bad effects? Actually what happens today, gutka is available in the pouch, and that's why by the transportation it is reaching throughout the country. There are so many factories, they have the either legal or illegal license they have taken out, and they are just and that also they are doing the they are using the bad quality of the products. Okay, adulteration is also present there in the gutka, and that's why they are going to transport here and there. Even the small childrens, they are also going to be affected much. Why? Because they don't have knowledge that they should not consume it. And sometimes the ladies also, they chew it, and once you start it, it becomes a habit afterwards. So that these are the things. What are the bad effects? You can see the muscles of the jaws means jabde, the muscles of the jaws, it becomes rigid, hard ho jate hain. The persons, those who are eating gutka continuously, their jaws, jabde, they don't function properly, and it becomes rigid, and you are not able to open your mouth properly. You cannot open your mouth properly. Okay, these are the conditions happens after that. And after that what happens? This particular disease, it is known as the fibrosis disease. The kind of the disease by which we are not able to open our mouth in a proper sense, in a proper way, and our jaws, it becomes rigid, it becomes tight. So such kind of the disease, it is known as the fibrosis disease. And this gutka, it even causes many kind of the mouth cancers also, and that's why the advices are also given to us. Even warnings are also written on the pouch that don't consume it. Okay, then also it comes in the market, so we should have some common sense that these are the things which we have to avoid. And it creates the bad images also. It actually invites so many other diseases also. Right now see the next thing, tobacco. What is the tobacco? Tobacco. It is obtained from the leaves of the Nicotiana tabacum. Actually Nicotiana tabacum, it is a scientific name of the tobacco. It is a scientific name of the tobacco. So it is obtained from the leaves of the Nicotiana tabacum. Nicotiana tabacum, it is a scientific name of the tobacco plant, और उसकी leaves से prepare किया जाता है. Actually the tobacco, these are the leaf parts of the tobacco plant. Okay, right now see next thing. In this leaves 1 to 8% of nicotine is available, and that particular nicotine, it is known as a alkaloids chemical name. So 1 to 8% of the nicotine, these are available in the tobacco plant, in the tobacco leaves, and it is very much harmful, that we are knowing. And what is the name of the particular nicotine? The name of the particular nicotine is alkaloids. Right now see, actually what the people do, people chew it with either with the betel. Some people chew it with the betel, some people chew it with the lime. Lime means chuna. कुछ लोगों की आदत होती है कि they take some pieces of the tobacco and they are just chewing it with the what, lime, and they do it 2 times, 3 times, 4 times in a day. Okay, so these are the habits of the people. Sometimes they chew it with the gutka, sometimes with the lime, sometimes with the betel, and some people actually they don't know, and some people they use it for the cleaning of the tooth, for the cleaning of the teeth. The people actually they use the tobacco, means tambaku, for the cleaning of the teeth, and sometimes for the massage of the gums. मसूड़ों का मसाज भी इससे करते हैं. And that these are the very much bad habits, and we should know that tobacco, it is a very harmful poisonous substance for our body, and there are so many harmful effects of the tobacco that we can see here and there. Okay, it may causes so many kinds of the cancers, so many kinds of the heart diseases, so many respiratory problems also. So what are the bad effects? We have to see one by one. First is that the nicotine. What are the nicotine? Means alkaloids which are present in the tobacco plant. It increases the blood pressure on the walls of the arteries. It increases the pressure on the walls of the arteries, and ultimately it becomes the reason of so many heart diseases. Okay, right now see, second is that due to the tobacco, actually what happens, if some pregnant ladies they are chewing it, if they are using it, if they are chewing the tobacco, so what happens, it may affect the development of coitus. Coitus, we can say that we are knowing it. Coitus, it is the developed stage of the zygote. So if the pregnant ladies they chew this tobacco, so it may affect or it may damage the development of the fetus inside their body. Number third is that use of the we are knowing that cigarette. Actually, inside the cigarettes also some tobacco leaves. These are filled, and when we are smoking, so definitely what happens? Some poisonous gases comes out like carbon monoxide, and that carbon monoxide it becomes the reason of so many other kinds of the cancers. Okay. And even it causes the water pollution also, air pollution also, and the person, those who are sitting with us, they are also going to be affected by it. Actually, cigarette, gutka, tobacco, these are the major reasons for the different kinds of the cancers. Actually, we invite such kind of the disease when we are using it. So what is the advice here? Advice is that we should avoid this kind of the things. They might be the reason of the low blood pressure, high blood pressure, some kind of the respiratory problems, some kind of the breathing problems, and after that sometimes it also causes so many mental disorders, mental diseases. Okay, and after that it decreases the what we can say immunity power, disease resistance power. It is also known as immunity. Actually, if we are using them, so our disease resistance power, immunity power, it is going to be decreased. And they invite the different kinds of the cancers, okay, like fibrosis disease, so many other diseases are also there. So that's why we should avoid it properly. In the next time we have to study about the alcohol and its bad effect. Till then, thank you so much.